So, what happened?
Nothing much. We did what people usually do during funerals.
Did you met her? Are you Lyza?
Yes,
What did she tell you?
nothing much. She just told me who she was.
What did she look like?
She's pretty, I guess.
She was. She looked like she had Indian blood, with her sharp nose and deep-set eyes thickly bordered by long lashes. Just like Mom, she still maintained a slim figure, though she already had children.
I'm Sylvia.
All my muscles tense upon hearing her name. It took all my self-control to outwardly remain calm and simply raise an eyebrow. My reaction caused a range of emotion to cross the woman's face before it finally crumbled and gave way to tears. She knelt in front of me, a sinner confessing before a priest so he could wash away the dirt from her past.
Everyone makes mistakes, Lyza. I think they're washed enough now.
I don't think she is as pretty as Mom, though.
Stop it, Nalisa! Any more of that machine and you will be putting bits of your own flesh and bone in there. You go and finish off here. I'll just go to my room and stretch my back out a bit.
As I waited the stew to boil, I remembered the freshly dug grave as Lem's casket was being lowered into it. My dad was crying beside me, and I recalled thinking, would he be the same if I was the one who had died? His hand, heavy with sadness, fell on my shoulder.
I'm sorry.